Hello people of YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to install pgadmin of PostgreSQL and how to make it functional so that we can perform operations on it, as this is going to be a playlist on PostgreSQL and its operations. So I'm going to teach you how to how to run commands on PostgreSQL and access the database and manipulate the database. So first, to do that, we have to install PostgreSQL. And please pardon me, I have a little bit of code. First we have to do is we have to download some components, and the components are, as I have already downloaded it, but you can download it from the websites. uh, the I will give you the link in the description. So the components are, first is this PostgreSQL, then the pgadmin, and then this file. So I'll give you link of these files in the descriptions. Just install it. Just first install the PostgreSQL, then pgadmin, and then download this file. This will be useful later. Do not open this. Do not open this file, as this is a file on which we are going to perform operations so that we can learn the commands of PostgreSQL database. Now, as I have installed PostgreSQL database, I am going to show you how to set up or restore the database of DVD rental files so that we can perform operations on it. So I'm going to start the admin. This may take a while. As when you install pgadmin, and after installing the server, the PostgreSQL server, you have to, this is how it looks. This is the interface, that how it looks, right? Now what I have done is I have created a DVD rental database. There wasn't any database, so I'm going to show you by creating it again. So what what you are going to do is, once you connect to the PostgreSQL server, press uh, press right click and then create a database. All right, I'm going to name it demo and then click save. Now this is the database, which is, it is an empty database, right? It does not have any tables or any content in it. So what we are going to do is we are going to restore the database. Now the thing is that this is the custom, or this the data should be presented in custom or tar format, which I will give you the link in description. Download it, but do not open it. Please do not open it. All right. Now just locate the data wherever it is present and select from custom to all files, and then it will show up the, the menu. Now what you have to do with data options is you have to select yes, data, data, and post data, and you are pretty much done. Now this is how the process is completed. Now to check if the data is restored or not, go to query tool and run one query. The basic query is select star from film, as film is one table in this DVD rental file. Let's run this, and there we go. Works. So yes, we have restored the database. Now in next video we will be performing operations on this database to learn more about PostgreSQL. Thank you.